Right, YouTube, it is Thursday just before our drop, but I got a couple hours quickly to get my food sorted. I wanted to show you my little routine of what I grab with fruit and veg. So I come to Alexander's in Oakleigh. There is Tass, so the family here is pretty good. They hate me because I'm here so much. Tass is busy. It's so good because I just walk into this place. Dave, I'm doing a YouTube video about what I get for my meals weekly. Do you mind if I put you in it on the back end? Just want to say hi. This is Dave. He's the owner.
Balls, Thursday.
Also an e-commerce king.
You want to annoy me now?
Yeah, go.
At 4:30.
You close at 5, right?
It's 4:30. Thursday.
Easter Thursday. Flat out. And Johnny, the man, sexy star, wants to come in and say, you know what, boys, you want to do a video? And we say, you know what, Johnny? Not particularly.
Our enthusiasm is not.
Our enthusiasm is through the roof.
Anyway, I'll show you what I usually get.
What do you usually get?
They're busy.
Unfortunately, sorry, bro. We'd love to help you,
They hate me here.
we're not feeling the love, no.
Okay, it's all good. So what I do is, I'll just tell you what I do. So they keep all their boxes of things like their veggies, whatever it is, and I just grab one of these and I load these up with what I want. Usually I get one of these boxes because they are pretty good, and I'll just get a tray. I'm at a stage now where I just track my protein every day, and I try to get about 250 to 300 grams of protein. So I get some eggs. Hey Dale, how are you? So we've got eggs.
Make sure you give me eggs when you finish.
So I just checked that they're not cracked, so they're good to go. Boom, shakalaka. Let's get a few avos.
You should give me a job again on your plate.
Of course. Let's do it. Okay, yeah, we can do that. We'll be a little while till we open.
Well, I thought 3 weeks.
Okay, done. So strawberries, here we go. Boom. Raspberries. Oh, This gimbal thing's so good. It's just so handy to make videos with. All right, couple blueberries. I like making my own food. Beetroot. Now, little hacks here. If you want to have lower calorie options, you could try pumpkin versus sweet potatoes. Okay, some white sweet potatoes, some golden sweet potatoes, some Desiree potatoes, some washed potatoes. So I'll dice all these up and I'll steam them. Okay, now we'll get some red capsicum. Thank you, Dale. Eggplant. So I've got a bit of veggies at home, so I don't need too much. There's Tony Montana. So hi, Tony. Tony's great. Usually has heaps of jokes. No jokes today. When do you close at 5 today? Is it 5:30? Or? Oh, 5:30. Okay, so I got a little bit of time. So broccoli. What do you call that again?
Watermelon.
Cauliflower, mate. Come on. Watermelon. Where's he going? I spent a bit of time researching food. So one good product you can try is these pomegranates. You got to slice them down the middle, just on the edge with a knife. Crack them open, then hit them with a wooden spoon, and that'll get the pomegranates out. These are good in the Ninja Creamies. Whoops. Okay. So now we'll leave that there, and now we will get some protein. Okay, let's go. So, all right. Yo. Hey guys, I'm doing a YouTube video about how I get on my meal prep. So I'll put your shop in if you don't mind. Is that okay? Will? All right, so this is Will and Anna. Now, what am I going to get today? Should I go chicken breast or chicken thighs? Okay, let's go both. Let's do 1.5 kilos chicken thighs, please. And maybe 2 kilos chicken breast. Yes, please, sir. Yes, please. So 1.5 thighs, 2 kilos chicken breast. How long you guys had this business for?
Quite a few years. How long?
19 years. 19 years. Here it is, so check it out. So is it the name of it Oakleigh Poultry? Yeah. Oakleigh Poultry. Here we go, Oakleigh Poultry. And I came here the other week and I got some rabbit legs. They're actually pretty good. I air fried them, yeah. Me and my mates had it that night. I didn't know how to cook them, so I just chucked them in the air fryer with a bit of oil, and they came out really nice. Yeah, but it was really good. So rabbit legs, guys. If you want to try something different, you can try some rabbit legs. Okay, so we've just picked up chicken thighs and chicken breast, and now we'll get some red meat here too. So what you can do is you come to these butchers like this place, and you get them to mince it in front of you. Like that might be the best option, but they might have some lean beef mince here. Let's have a look if they do. Otherwise I'll get them to mince something up for me. And if you really want, you can get them to mince liver with beef if you want to get a bit of liver in, because liver doesn't taste so amazing. So you might do like 20% liver and 80% beef. Just some ideas for you guys. All right, we are at Oakleigh Market Meats, ladies and gentlemen. We have the young, handsome man, Eamon here. How you doing, Eamon? What's going on? Now, I've asked Eamon for some beef mince. We wanted something a little bit leaner, didn't we, bro? Yeah, so what are we dicing up? Can you do it twice? Is that a pain in the ass? Oh, what a legend. So we got this dice blade, didn't we? Eamon, we got this dice blade here, yeah? Now he's whacking it through on the mincer. I think this is actually seeing you mince it rather than buying it like Woolies or Coles. You don't know what you're getting. Beautiful. What a legend. So we got about 1.5 kilos. Here we go. Alright, so Eamon is mincing up 1.5 kilos of lean beef mince for me. So the gains keep flowing. Thank you very much. And this will be on my YouTube. Okay, so we got protein sorted, 1.5 kilos freshly minced beef. Thanks guys, happy Easter, all the best. You can say hi to Carla if you want. Hi Carla, say hi to my YouTube.
Hello.
What's going on? How are you?
Good, how are you?
How's your day? You going away for Easter?
No, just staying at home.
You staying at home? Yeah, me too. I'm just going to work. Done. See you soon. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Mwah, love ya.
Good to see you, bye.
So Carla is running Alexander's. She's a gun. See you soon, Carla. Great community here of lovely people, and yeah, they're just the best. There is bad news though, because I call him Tasty Tass. He's leaving me. He's moving to Thailand. Breaks my heart. That's Claudia. Hey Claudia, say hi to my YouTube. Claudia's like the friendliest human ever. Super fit. Did the 1,000 steps with her once. Couldn't keep up. Hey Connie. Have a good Easter. I'll see you are you going away? So guys, this is Connie. She owns Oakleigh Nut Shop.
Yeah, nut shop.
Nut Shop. Oh, it's just called Nut Shop. My apologies. So all these fresh almonds, macadamias, cashews that I get. Can you notice I got a bit bigger? Because I've been trying to bulk up a bit now. Yeah. So it's because of her calories from all the beautiful nuts that I get. So you can come and check her out at the Nut Shop in Oakleigh. Yes. Okay, YouTube. We have just picked up my sort of bi-weekly load of food and what I eat. Now, got my box of goodies here, which you just saw. So here in this bag, which you just saw before, we have our chicken thighs and chicken breasts, so that'll be prepared soon. I'll do another video on the actual preparation of the food. Just want to show you a breakdown of what I bought. And this here is 1.5 kilos of lean beef mince. Now I get the butcher to mince it in front of me because I think it's better to get it from a butcher than getting it from a local like supermarket chain. You actually see what you're getting and getting it minced in front of you. So that's just what I've been doing. The box of goodies here you saw before, so that's what I've got, my veggies and my fruits and my eggs. And Mrs. Taste has sent me something, a little gift. Did not actually, ooh, here's a note. Thank you so much, God bless you. Looking forward to hearing your review about Mrs. Filet blessings. Mrs. Filet, take care Johnny, blessings Oscar. So pumpkin 0 calorie sauce, pumpkin spice. Yeah, Mrs. Filet, dipping sauce, 0 sodium. Ooh, gee, that looks good. So that must be a new sauce he's brought out. So thank you very much, Oscar. And, oh, he's returned a singlet, a small singlet. So thank you very much. Oscar, you are a champion. Thank you very much. Hope you're liking the content. I'm just trying to share as much as I can, a little bit more frequently. So the edits are just raw and I just snap them together as quick as I can. But I think it's about the consistency and getting them out. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you're looking to do content yourself too, just get it out. I mean, these videos only get like 100 to 200 views if I'm lucky. I've only got 3,500 subscribers, so it's still small, but it's growing. I hope you like the content. I love this stuff, and if I can share what I do with you guys, it makes me happy. I've got a drop tonight as well, very shortly, for my new shorts. So I'm wearing them right now, these basketball shorts. They are fantastic. There we go. Anyway, hopefully the drop goes well. Never Home's my brand. I enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next video where I might actually show how I make this food. Peace out.